If you want to get iPhone theme on Realme GT 8 Pro, first of all, we're gonna go to the Play Store and we're gonna search for the iPhone theme. You can also search for like iOS launcher or something like that. So as you can see, we have many different apps that in theory should be able to give you that iOS theme. So in my case, I'm gonna choose this app over here. I'm gonna install it and we're gonna show you how to set it up, which should be quite easy. But if you don't like this app or if it doesn't work for you, feel free to try any other launcher that you can find in the Play Store. Now in this case, I don't have to agree to share the location, but I can grant all the necessary other permissions. Now, in here we can scroll down in order to go to make default launcher. So whenever we go to the home screen, we can actually open the iPhone launcher. Of course, we have an ad, so we need to wait for it to close. All right, there we go. Let's tap on OK, and of course we want to switch from the standard launcher to the iOS launcher. There is a chance that you will see this blur effect message, which appears all the time whenever I install the iOS launcher. Then it looks like this, so I can just tap on never over here, and it doesn't matter that much. And as you can see, we just have the iOS launcher. We can also go to the app library over here if we want to. And there we go. So this is how we can get the iPhone theme on Realme GT 8 Pro. Subscribe to my channel.